Class 5 Computer. Hello students. After completing our first chapter, now let's start with the next chapter. That is chapter number 4. Inserting objects in MS Word 2010. Now before starting our chapter, I would like to say something. Now I have already told you in the Google Meet class also to subscribe my channel and to click on the bell icon so that you can get the updated videos which I have uploaded. Okay, aina Google Meet class asu haigrabduni chi aigi YouTube channel sargi YouTube channel si ni subscribe so chalo subscribe toro aduga bell icon da mu click toro kayino haigadi aina any new video class ama hek aina upload torko matamda noida notification laknaba bell icon da click toro aduga subscribe mapadu subscribe chalo sargi yandani ko kawbe adi kayino haigadi aina any video class ama hekta any aina noigi sigi chapter kudingi videos e update toroga sum hapakaneba adudu noina hayeng phang noida notification oina sargi videos la edo khangna bai damakta subscribe to chalo aduga bell icon da click to chalo notification lakna yani ko. Now let's start our next chapter, that is chapter number 4. Now inserting objects in MS Word 2010. Now MS means what? Microsoft Word 2010. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about creating and editing word art, changing the appearance of drawing objects, inserting clip art and pictures. Now in MS Word we have many features. Okay, so we are going to study some of the features, that is editing word art, creating how to create and edit word art, then changing the appearance of drawing objects, and inserting clip art and pictures. Now MS Word is a word processing software. However, it allows you to add many features in your document. Koina chigi chapter to basic creating and editing word art. Word art hai chi koina kamaina hangdokani amasung sida kamaina koina edit togani haidi sendok sendin phajana kamaina semgani, and changing the appearance of drawing objects. Koina drawing yekpagi object khra hayeng koina aina sida yorb sida mathang da yorkani adu koina kamaina magi appearance so kamaina phajahangani hongdokani adu kamaina semgani yengdeba. And inserting clip art hai sina kaino aduga pictures in khange. Clip art haibasina kaino clip art se kamaina hapkani amasung pictures kamaina hapsangani, and how to take screenshots also, that you will study in this chapter number 4, inserting objects in MS Word 2010. Now let's start. You can change the appearance of your text using word art, or even insert objects such as pictures and clip arts. You can change the appearance of nang word art text to semba yaiba phajanaba mong semba kai seasonaga using word art, or even inserting objects hapsalaga object tu mang da mu text hapsanba such as pictures ki mang da text hapajwe, and clip arts tasu. Let us explore the special features of MS Word 2010 one by one. Now let's study what are the special features of MS Word one by one. Amamam kanya loktoga kanya yengasi what are the my special features in the the first topic is word art. Now word art what is word art? Now word art is a text styling feature of MS Word. The word art gallery includes different styles of writing which can be applied to the text. Now word art is a text styling feature of MS Word. Text kamaina stylish oina koina phajaba mong da kamaina semgani habdo aduduni word art atogdi koina noina newspaper gumada word ka je iraga kolaga ga yawidana to sidaga kolaga ga yawise round ohen basu ai half circle ohen basu ai adagi sumaina kolaga sumaina ga lakpagumba adumaina to ba singji silai singji word art gi semaga hapangak taneba tongana special features haiji ko adu koina kamain semgani Fajanaba gidamakta akoina kamai semgani habdo aduduni se lakadoisi. Now inserting a word art object. Akoina word art object si kamaina hapani dos. Now let's see here. To insert a word art object in a document of the word art object se hapke haragadi, follow the steps given below. Makada laiba steps in si yengasi. Now what are the steps? Step number 1. Place the cursor where you want to insert word art. Now I told you what is a cursor. Now when you open the MS Word, there is a blinking line. When the MS Word hangba matamda blink toraga line ama leibido. Adudune what are haise. Whatever you type, it will start from that blinking line. That is from the cursor. Wherever the cursor is, when you start typing in the keyboard, it will start the text from the position of the cursor. Cursor na leiba mapado blink toraga khapaga amakak leibido. MS Word hangduakanda. Now practically also I'll tell you afterwards. Now I'll explain all these the special features first. Then I'll show you practically. Okay, I kona practical oina sije MS Word che hangdoga practically aina one by one tawra take. But for now I'll explain it first. Okay, I hana explain to gige loirkanda one by one I hangdoga practically amuk take bako. Koina MS Word che hangdoga matamda line ama blink toraga leidana. Had blink toraga habdi kaino put ngalaga mun lebdo adu do karino adu dune cursor haise. Adu akoina cursor du akoina word art happening iba mapadu da cursor do thambiro ko amana cursor na leiba mapadu da word art to tholakadoine. Then click on the insert tab on the ribbon. A drop down menu opens. Wegi ribbon dagi kaida insert tab ta home tab, insert tab, page layout tab mayam lei mathakta ko. There also I'll show you practically afterwards. Adu khoi hain kona any practical torkana mu utke ko practically torkanda adu da insert tab ta changbiro. Then in the text group insert tab ta group mayam khaidoeba group mayam khaidoeba adu dagi group mayam dugi insert tab manung changa kanda group mayam lei bidu dagi text group ta changbiro. Click on text group dagi click on word art ta click tobiro. Word art ta click tobirani ko the word art button. Word art lazy ubra sise sisne word art je sisna text group bai je sidagi lines dagi na sibox na text group ko weba si lines dagi na sibox na header and footer hai je hangi ko koi magi group tongan leba duga sidagi na sibox na koina links hai je duga sidagi na sibox na illustrations sisna koina table la heba ere ko si group tongan mane adu sidagi koi gi text group se changaga sigi word art da click to biro. Then after that step number 4, that the shape and formatting characteristics of a word art object are called word art styles. Sigi word art that koina sida ojiki word art ni sida isi si word art ja click to matamda sigi word art ki style mayam je thukla ane sida. Word art object are called word art styles. Word art ki objects ni koina word art styles hai ji. Click on any word art style from the box that appears. Figure number 1B. 1B the word art style says style mayam le word art ki she's the apamba word art style ama khanbiro. The word will create a text box. Your text here and tharga word art to thogla anebo for entering text in the chosen style. Nangna sida choose to ribo word art ki style je sigi moong da nangna enter toro. You can write your name of the school, whatever text you want to enter, you just enter there. By default, the computer will give like this. Your text here, and a computer default computer masana default oh, but you can delete this and you can enter whatever text you want. You can write your name. You can write or name of or school also. Whatever text you want to enter, you just enter there. Then type the desired text. Nang apamba text ibiro and click OK when done. When finish typing, when finish entering your text, then you click OK. Then the text that appears in the document now is called word art object. Ado word art oina object to thola khoi hujiki word MS Word to word art object se thola ane. You can apply word art to already typed text also. Now already you can type a text okay before also. Then this is done by selecting the text and then following the same steps as given above. You can type any text first before going to the word art. Then you can select the text and you can go to the word art and follow the above steps. Hana tokiba steps ingong tokiba. Nang hana text so ituoga text so select to biraga nang iba text so hapchalasu yai happen. Kangani ko ai sibu kangani ang khale in a word art object kamai happe habni. Now I'm explaining this theoretically. Now afterwards I'll explain it practically also. When practically higher kandana in tower ta kandana hena when the kangbasu hene do hojikti ai theoretically hana explain to kike. Okay. Now practice time. Type the following text in MS Word using word art. Word art season aga sigi text inje type to now you can do this at home. Okay. After I've explained you about the practically I practical when I ta am tung da no hije yumda homework when a home assignment when yumda type to sana jwe whoever having computer at home yumda computer labor kangu gini ko computer later gadi later labor kangu gidi yumda type to sana jwe ba I practically I hire kanda hi hojikti kamai to ni do khangi roeba. Now formatting word art. Formatting haibisi kaino formatting haidi phajana ba semba to make it look good, the appearance of the text, to make it look good. Okay, to make it nice. Phajana ba akoina phajaba mongda color sangdana adagi design hapsandana sembase sisne koina formatting haise. Yantani ko formatting word art haidi word art se koina format phajaba mongda semde karama mongda phajalaga sembani habini ko. When you insert word art in a document, the format tab appears on the ribbon. See the format and tole jubra. Koina word art ama document hapa matamda sigi format tab se tholakaneba. Only after inserting the word art. Okay, format tab will appears on the ribbon only after inserting the word art in a document, not before that. Hana word art hapinga jadi format tab se tholoi hapa kanda tholakadune. Kaigino hagadi ma hapa kanda format haidi phajana sendok singing tong nabasi si tholakadune. Hapinga jadi ma sendok singing tong nabi tholakada tholoi. Now you cannot find this format tab until and unless you insert a word art in a document. It will appear on the ribbon only when you insert the word art. Hapakanda katang format tab se appears on the ribbon. Okay. Now click on it to get the tools for formatting and editing inserted word object, word art object. Nana insert to word art to formatting phajaba mongda editing chendok singmin to widamakta tools hangdokpa yaraneba. There are various ways in which the word art object can be formatted. Let us learn about each one of them. Word art object chi koina semdok singim tongnaba makhal mayam ama lei makhal matel mayam ama lei bako yo karino haibasi yengasi. Now the first one is changing the text fill. Text to the kari hapsige kari machu hapsige natraga tongana semaga lei color hapsira natraga koina red hapsira green hapsira any color hapning ba hapsira natraga text gi manung the picture oina hapira picture oina hapasu ko text gi manung da adu yengase se da. The text fill consists of the colors and gradients used to fill the text of the word art object. The steps to do so are as follows. Akoina word art object se kai hape are color hape are gradients hana already mixture color mixture toroga semaga leba gradients haje ko ai practically ha kana khangani sisu gradients hapasu yai koi se da gradients haje the more fill colors the color mayam dai more color pamagana sida changaga more color si changa deba makha gisna gradient. Okay, now this is text fill option in word art tholai. Now in the word art style, now click on the word art object. The format tab appear under the drawing tool. Drawing tool makada thola ani format tab si. The format tab will appear under the drawing tool. Drawing tool makha thola kani bako. Now in the word art style group, click on the text fill option. The text fill haiji urasi leije. To hayeng udrasi padana udre ubadi udragasu hayeng sana practically ha kana dum noimak uni ko sana unaba torkaneba. In the word art style group, click on the text fill option to the click toro 2A the lay haji 2A figure number say the text fill option sita kanda sumaina thola kaneba si option singji hi option si kaino the more fill colors color hamning ga hapos the label color se hapi su yare or koina hapa hi kaino hujige koina lowri ba text so nang sa nang apa ma text gi do al the color option deba se label colors thing color su yare or nang si more colors sang color su yare or gradients ha ga di hana tongana semaga leba design color mixture torga design sembase dagi lower su yare. Now the next step is you can choose from the variety of options that appears. Choose the desired color from the theme color or standard colors to add theme color khan yaugre. If you do not wish to add any color hapa palm dragadi, you can choose the no fill option. Figure number 2 area no fill option yawing sagi ko no fill option da changaga color amta hap trazu color haping dragadi. If the desired color is not available in the theme colors and standard colors, theme colors ka standard colors ka nang apamba desired color haidi nangi apamba color do yaudagadi, you can click on more fill colors. Now I just explained you that more fill colors sangaga nang color khaning machu atopa khanbe. You can choose the color you want from the standard tape and or make your own color from the custom tape. To be the custom tape nang color khalinga color machu khaninga ga same bazu yae ko nang color apam da yaujadragadi 2b ga 2c ga nang se color design do na apam khalaga se da hape yae. The green haga ada di green ama khatang thoi den side se thoi je green ma thoi green je light we ba kitang light we ba nang na khaning ba machu do se khanbe yae. Another option available is to change the gradient. Click on gradient and click on the gradient variations you want in your word art. To di the gradient haidi hayang aina haido tongana hana already semaga thamaba color mixture chinga semaga thamaba design color design mayam am leba ko gradient je. Now you can choose that also. If you don't want the color to be filled, you can choose the gradient and fill. Okay, now that is how we fill the text. Now changing the text outline. Text outline haibadi karino text ki manung da hapadna text color haiba text color change on over. Just I have told you that the high give do text ki manung da hapna bane text color do no go. Then changing the text outline hadi maming janung khamani text outline hadi text ki mapanda manung da di machu ma hapredana mapanda manung da suppose manung da if you insert green color in a text and if you want the outline boundary, okay, boundary to be red color, you can choose from here changing the text outline. Text outline hadi text to gi boundary do mapanda yam pana or thana, you can change that also. Text outline do thick uhengera thin uhengera thahangera pahangera so same bay mathang da yorkani sei da ko ade changaga text ki outline hadi mapan gi da color hapa manung gi na green hapani text ki mapan do text ki mapan do na machu ama red kuma uhening do uhenba. Now how we will do, let's see here. To change the outline of a word art object, the steps are as follows. Now these are the steps. Select the word art object. The format tab appears on the ribbon. Word art object se koina mouse na click to matamda select tore ko click to di select to hani ko format tab se appears on the ribbon. Word art until and unless you click on the word art, this format tab will not be there. Format tab se thoglo eba. Only if you click on the word art. After inserting the word art, you have to click on the word art. Word art no nam ga click or nam ga dam neba. Nam dradi format tab se thoglo eba. Kaino hagadi mangonda select or ga ma nam makanda hojiki format tab se tholaka doine ma sendok sendin tawna. Okay. Now in the word art style group, click on the text outline option. Text outline to the nambiro. Masayna text field namidana. Hojikna text outline da nambiro. Okay. Now before we click on the text field to fill the color on the text. Now you click on the text outline option. Okay. Then you can choose from the variety of options that appear. Now you can choose the text outline color from theme colors or standard colors. Theme colors or standard colors ki text outline to khan be are 3A da. So you see masai hai gi ni theme color or standard colors to sam manai masai duna inside the text the hapa sina outline the hap ko. If you do not want any color, click on no outline. If you don't want to insert any color on the text outline, you can click on the no outline. Okay, there will be no outline, no color for the outline. If you choose this option, no outline. And after that, if you want a color that is not available in the theme colors or standard colors, you can click on more outline colors. More outline colors da ngasai more colors haibado adumaina more outline colors da changa ga semla chida more fill colors haibang sai na text fill to ni sina more outline colors haiba sina outline obanina sina fill colors sina manung da hamna ba outline colors sina mapan da hamna ba ni ko matai da hamna ba. From the color box that appears, you can choose the color you want from the standard tape or make your own color from the custom tape. Masagi the mine chap mane se togi buduga fill color da hapaduga text outline ga hapasiga chap mane color khanbiba. There is also an option of changing the thickness of the outline by pointing on the weight option and then selecting a thickness. Figure number 3B. Figure number 3B di so yaw mani yang se ko figure number 3B da yang se da weight ana yaw ngani se da si weight sida changa kanda sei nang outline du text ki outline du yam pa na hap kera kitang than yam than gera ko outline do ad nang se da weight sida changa ga semba yai yan tai ko weight na text ki outline do yam pick na chelan gera magi matai da boundary da outline do or kitang than yam than gera nang sigi change to we mai sigi weight hain thai sida ani ko. Now in order to change the width and appearance of the outline, that is the line style line do matai the cheli boundary the cheli line do point to the dashes option dashes to thamajuki sukai and then select the style you want 3C da sida mahang da weight ki hek mahang da se dashes and lai se dashes sida dot namgera aduga line kitang togera line dot namgera segi style ma'am se segi dashes nanga sending basu segi semba yare ja figure number 3 see the line style option say that sina the line thickness option thickness se thaba paba sina line gi style do thamgera nang apam do thamning do thamba yare segi natraga or line win thamgera do. Click on more option to get more advanced option of the line style and thickness from the format text dialog box. Format text dialog box lagi na apam mayam do lagi more outline khan gera more outline color khan gera or outline colors khan gera weight khan gera dashes khan gera na apam do khan be you can choose from the options given here. Now the outline of the word art object will change depending upon the selection you have made. Whatever selection you have made here, whether the color, the thickness or the dashes, it will whatever selection you have done here, it will be made changes to the word art object, whatever word art you have taken. Loibo word art today da nang se change or nang happy singsi adida change or never hapa never. Okay, I hope you have understand till here. Now changing the text effects. Now how you change the text effects? Text effects say minus change to the have text effects have you can also give some special effects to your text, to your word art object, like change its shape or give it a shadow or 3D effects. To do so, follow the steps given below. When word art to give shape shaming by shape da smiley the onto oju ko half circle on top circle on top nangi shape to change to pa or shadow hapsan be shadow ta mami da hanba or 3D effects 3D mong da thon ba ju yai ba nang na happy ba text 3D mong da tho ju yai ba and minus da konya effects ma change to ba yai this comment to ju yang si the format tab appears on the ribbon format tabs to ribbon da thokla ne ribbon da comment thok lei the format tabs da text effects and thola kane and change or number ko. Now in the word art style groups, click on the text effects. Now text effect the word art group the text effects sango option the text effects option and select the desired effects. Whatever effects you want, you can select from there. From the categories like shadow or reflection, like mirror reflection, glowing, okay, 3D rotation or and transform. Figure number 4. Now figure number 4 here it is given here. You can change the option whatever categories you can change here from the options given. Now notice the simultaneous change in the word art text. Word art text nana change over dana hek hapaga change over sing do simultaneous mathang sina mathang yeng da ba ki chu gai de nana hapning ba hapchal laga yeng ba yai hai ba. khangani ko ina word art style groups neba word art style groups ta kai lere hujida changing the text effects ta hujiki do quite first ta what have we done quite first ta text fill hapa ko mathang dana kari hapa text fill word art lorani word art loraga text fill hape then text outline hape then text outline hapa matungda changing the text effects so hape khoina baina mathang muthang lorga semba yai ba sei da khangni ko now practice time now let's see practice time type I love my school using word art style with gradient fill as orange gradient fill say orange in a low row aduga say that I love my school say type to have name now when I show you practically you can understand more if fazana hena khangbodo aina practically torgan heng khangani but I'll explain this first hana explain to gi I love my school haina tharo no yum da to ko computer level kangu to gun ko now you should practice this at home whoever you have computer those who have computers you can practice this at home okay noina yum da practice to organa hena no da khangbe heneba now when you practice at home you'll know more okay and if you have any doubt also you can ask on the Google Meet class okay like before Google Meet class ta noi khangda khotaba doubt level legana Google Meet class ta hangba yai duga sana kona video ma upload toraga noi explanation toraga noina doubt level do clear to doine khangani ko Google Meet class ta then outline weight has 3 point and inner shadow hapo aduga outline weight na 3 point da outline ji point p bako half point 1 point 1 and a half 2 3 point main p bako 3 point da thamo haine nang change to sin do khang na bane sida haije now change the text fill to dark blue nang text fill do dark blue do on to o hai ma haije ko now change the outline color to green sina text fill do dark blue do on to o change the outline color do na green do on to o sagi to ki mem do loi mak sid loi ma hapchal lai ni ko khwai first ta wara ma lorani wara loraga gradient do orange hapo haire aduga magi outline do na 3 point da thambiro haire aduga text fill do na dark blue loro outline color na to green then change the outline to dash style you should put the outline color to green and change the outline to dash style tagi dash style se khanbiro dash lai dash styles tagi any dash ama dot wagira ama khangira dashes style ama khalo ko change the outline style to dashes then select the text and change the font size select text to change select to biro and change the font size adi kaino text to gi size size of the text font size means whatever you have given on the whatever text you have given on the word art okay that is known as the font the size to change to 72 from the font group ta changaga magi size to 72 thambiroba of the home tab ta gi changaga font ta changaga home tab ta gi font group ta changaga magi text ki size to change it to 72 da thambiro adu already edoroni nanga sida nanga sai dagi hobudagi tokimem do loimak yaurani yan tai ko huji box sana tai je gyan taram ganen khale huji ki hai ba mem si ado aina practically amu hai kanana hena gyan tagani ni khali why first we have to take a word art then after word art we have to fill colors on the word art now after filling colors on the word art what you have to do you have to insert a outline and you can change the outline color also outline thickness also and change the outline to dashes like this okay and after that you have to change the text effects there are many options given here for text effects ki option ma'am pire categories ma'am like shadow reflection glow 3D rotation and transform si ma'am je loin ma ha pe ai da okay so I hope you understand whatever I taught you till now aina hojik ta e book se noi lema gyan tarangani khale now for today's video session class let's stop here let's end here in the next video class I'll show you all this practically. Okay, from the beginning till changing the text effect. Once I haurakpagi change chapter haurakpado, starting chapter haurakpado adudagina changing the text effects pause. I will show you in the next video session practically. Next video session atage, and after that in the next video again I'll explain the remaining chapters. Okay, remaining part of the chapters. Okay, students, stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. That is very important. Subscribe to Raga Sargi channel sida YouTube the channel Sargi channel da subscribe to ro. Subscribe to bira matungda bell icon da nambiro. Bell icon da nambidana tongana notification sana upload to video kudima notification noida sasat yorong na ba. Okay, let's stop here. Let's end here for today.